Yo, katipa, ito ang Golden Retriever K-pop Demon Hunters. Chords lang ha, chords. So, dictate na natin ang unang pattern, intro, at saka pang verse. So, C, and then G, and then D, E minor. Yun ang intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E minor. And then, uulit, walang E minor. C, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D. And then, kakanta. O, eto, may E minor na ulit. I was a ghost, I was alone, ha! Diba, meron yun? Ha? Okay, pati sa pre-chorus, ganun din. Pero, yung huli, mawawala ulit ang E minor. Where, ito yung where, I believe. Okay, ito na ang pattern sa chorus. We're going C, up, up, D, and then G, D, F sharp, E minor. Gets mo? G, and then D, F sharp, ganito. Okay, and then E minor, and then babalik sa C. 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, D, F sharp, E minor, and then yan, E minor, waited so long, D, and then B minor 7, and then C. So ulit E minor, D, B minor 7. Ngayon sa B minor 7, ito pwede mong gawin, B minor 7 na alternative, and then C. Okay? Pero yung pang-apat, mag-iiba ang pattern. Itong no more hiding, ganun pa rin. No more E minor, no more hiding, be shining. Ito, isusunod. Because E minor, we are hunters, B minor 7. B minor 7. And then C, I believe, D. Yan. That's it. Chorus na. We're going up. Oh, C ulit. D. Pag nag-ending yung ano lang, yung parang intro lang. C, G, tapos D, E minor. Susunod, ulitin mo, walang E minor. Tapos na yung kanta. Diba? Yung ano, ganun yan. Alright. Up here, parang down here.